Today, we're going to learn how to build and visualize decision trees for classifications using the rpart and the rpart.plot packages. First, we need to install and load the required packages. To build decision trees, we'll use the rpart package, and to visualize the decision trees, we'll use the rpart.plot package. Now, let's build a decision tree for classification. We'll use the famous iris dataset for this example. The iris dataset contains 150 samples of flowers, each with 4 features and a species label. This code builds a decision tree using the rpart function with a target variable species and all other features as predictors. Finally, let's visualize the decision tree using the rpart.plot package. This package provides an easy way to create beautiful and informative decision tree plots. This code creates a plot of the decision tree with a custom title. Pretty easy, huh? And that's it. In way less than 3 minutes, you've learned how to build and visualize decision trees for the purpose of classification in R. We use the rpart and rpart.plot packages for this. So hey, that was fast. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you have any other ideas for what you'd like to see me do a tutorial on. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.